A homeless heart. They say home is where the heart is, but lately I've been feeling like I lost my soul and now my body is empty. A homeless heart. We search for love with enough strength to take down an army, a nation, anything in our space to find a shack and feel safe. A homeless heart. Maybe it deserves to be alone, or maybe it should be in the hands of somebody who don't abandon it whenever it does wrong. A homeless heart. It's one that's not afraid to roam, one who has nothing at all but still manages to eat, sleep, and survive the streets. A homeless heart. Are we really able to escape when in reality we need a beat that's ongoing to make our way through the day? A homeless heart has to deal with being broke, loneliness, and suffers from hunger. But although all the above may dig a hole, we still rise from up under. A homeless heart needs company, needs comfort, needs the type of love that's unique like none other, the type that's unbreakable like the one you show your mother. A homeless heart may not always do right in the public's eye, but through thick and thin, the homeless heart will always rise. Survive. What's up, y'all? It's GDA here with my brother Smurf. Just making a little video to say, thank you to all the supporters that went out and downloaded Midnight in Uptown. Thank you for that. The support was great. Everybody listening. Shout out to everybody that got, the wristbands Midnight in Uptown. That's definitely great. I fucks with all y'all. Shout out to Flav, man. Y'all definitely gotta go get some work done with them. If you don't know, you should probably ask your girl. She's probably shot her before.
But listen, go download that for real. I'm becoming an artist right now.
No, I'm serious though. Flav knows your girl. Like, I'm so serious.
I'm becoming an artist. GDA.
Now she friended him on Facebook. Like I'm dead ass. Follow him, man. Broadway Flavor, best director out here. Y'all niggas know what it is, man. I'm just here to do this video, man, and support my people that went out and downloaded the mixtape Midnight in Uptown. Now available on DatPiff, Hawkshare, Mediafire, High New Hip Hop. You can check my Twitter, GDA_YBFS, my Facebook as well. Anything, man. Just go out there and support it. I want to also shout out Broadway Flavor for shooting the video for Hip Hop Soul 2. That's coming out November 10th. He's also going to shoot the video for Gary Payne Now 5. Shit going to be a movie. Shout out to 40th, YBFS. They're going to be there. December 18 as well. Go out there and support my brother G-Sos, aka The Rain Man, aka your girlfriend's favorite rapper. And to all the people that got these wristbands, man, thank you for supporting. I really appreciate it. Y'all know what it is, man. Till next time. Good morning, Uptown.